Hey guys, me again. Don't leave this video, cause I had to tell the news about it. As I told you about my unboxing, video will be at March 1st. And it would be S.H Monsterarts, Godzilla 1954. But due to this delay, I don't have enough money to have this model until June or July, on salary. And please don't be mad about it. Wait when I have it on June or July, but if it's not there that told you about the date. I had to make another announcement about it. Also forgot about it. After I made the video about unboxing, I would make a stop-motion video. And it would take 3 months to wait this. And also that the July were S.H Monsterarts Godzilla 1954. Would be the same month that I'm going to make a video about Dubai to Manila trip report on Emirates. So I hope you wait. Like the video and subscribe for not missing my videos about that. I told you earlier,